Help! My prune tree that has been yielding lots of fruits just got knocked over by a strong winter storm, and I don't know what to do. It's a bit heavy, so it's been sitting on the ground like this. What steps do I need to take to bring it back to life? And this is from Gio via YouTube. It has fallen over, and look at that. It's a pretty good sized tree. Walter, what are our steps here?
Well, I tell you, that one really needs pruning just in general. But I also think if it's falling over and it's kind of just out of the ground, you probably it can't be saved. Now, I will tell you that I do barbecue with fruit wood. It's excellent wood to smoke with. So maybe you might want to do that. But if it's falling over and it's out of the ground, it's not much you can do.
Those feeder roots are ripped, then you're probably going to lose the tree anyway.
Right, that's the first thing I looked at. Yeah, the feeder roots are exposed to the air, been damaged. Not too much you're going to be able to do with that. Now, if it was a younger tree,
you might be able to.
Yeah, you might be able to, maybe hook a chain or something to it, some padding, of course.
And pull it back up.
Dig out, some of that soil from underneath that, the base of that plant, and then pull it up maybe. Yeah. And then, of course, you had to get some stakes in there, get some mulch, and, make sure it's watered and fertilized and all that good stuff. But that'd be like a pretty good sized tree. And if it's been there for a while, then
those roots are dried out.
Yeah, dried out. That might be pretty tough, Gio. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.